Hi, I am Yogesh Priti from 3rd year ECE department. My topic is about how email is transferred on a network and its security. These are the objectives which we are going to see. Email architecture, working principle, email security. This slide shows the architecture of email. After the user send, these are the process on network done to pass email to the receiver. First, user agent. The user agent is mainly send and receive the mail, also known as email reader. It is the first component of an email. It also handles the email boxes. Some services provided by the user agents are read the message, reply to the message, compose the message, forwarding the message, and then handling the message. MTA. MTA is Message Transfer Agent. The actual process of transferring the email is done through MTA. A system must contain MTA client to send and MTA server to receive an emails. The protocol that is mainly used to define the MTA client and server on the internet called SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Next, MAA, Message Access Agent. SMTP is a push protocol. In this stage, it needs to pull the protocol. For this, the Message Access Agent is used. The two protocols used to access message are POP and IMAP4. Next, working principle of the emails. First scenario. When the sender and the receiver of an email are on the same system, then there is the need for only two user agents. Second scenario. In this scenario, the sender and the receiver of an email are basically users on two different systems. Also, the message need to send over the internet. In this case, we need to make use of user agent and message transfer agent. Next, third scenario. The sender is connected to the system point to point WAN. It can be either a dial-up modem or a cable modem, while the receiver is directly connected to the system like it was connected in the second scenario. Also, in this case, sender need a user agent in order to prepare the message. After preparing the message, the sender send the message a pair MTA through LAN or WAN. Fourth scenario. The receiver is also connected to his mail server with the help of WAN or LAN. When the message arrives, the receiver need to retrieve the message. Thus, there is a need for another set of client or server agent. It makes use of MAA client in order to retrieve the message. In this, the client sends the request to MAA server and then makes a request for the transfer of message. This scenario is most commonly used today. Now we going to the topic email security. The reason for securing email is to avoid the risk of identity theft. It helps in securing the email backups, keep our confidential information secure, and then it reduce cyber security attack. These are some steps for email security. First, use strong password. It means we have to create complex passwords like use of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, symbols with long 8 characters. Next, train employee. Everyone must understand the risk of email and prevent them. For example, email from unknown sender or no objective line or those containing unexpected attachment can be phishing attack. Also, we need not to send sensitive information over email. The information about financial or user names and passwords. Or we need not to send. These are the sensitive informations. Use of proxies. By using this, the user can keep their location data private. They can conduct research without fear of tracking their behavior, like website cookies. One of the best solutions for email security is they allow you to send email without exposing your IP address. Next, use of factor authentication. When we log in to email, it sends code for verifying our mobile phone. Without this second piece of information, the account is inaccessible. Services like Google and Apple allow us to enable two-factor authentication on our account. Maybe verify our identity every time. Next, use of encrypted connection. To work on sensitive materials, we should use virtual private network VPN. When we send an email, the message goes through several services before it reaches its destination. If anyone accesses the message during transmit, we can encrypt message automatically by using encryption option. Next, backup file. Backup file regularly. We should backup regularly all files on a server or an external hard drive. This will ensure that we have another copy, or we can use cloud-based system that get backups automatically. Next, keep software and antivirus program up to date. The major operating system have antivirus software. Ensure that enable automatic updates. Also enable automatic scanning. By scanning, identify any virus. Next, keep an eye out of suspicious emails. Before opening an attachment, verify that you know the sender and that file isn't suspicious to avoid the scams. Next, check link before click on them. Even you know the person who sent mail, if you have doubt it may be suspicious, don't click on the link before verifying with them. Next, deploy a gateway email content filter. Gateway email content filter is a software which can connect internet and mail server. One of the most important effect way to improve email security is by screening information communication before they enter your organization. This allows you to identify and block spam message before reaching your user's inbox. These ensure all outbound communication meets security standards. Thank you for this opportunity.